March, march, let's go! Yes. Stop your tummy and your butt. Where your arms? Shake your hands, shake your feet. Very good. Magpa-martial art.
One more time.
Wash your hands.
Touch your tummy, touch your bottom. Shake your hands, shake your knees.
Wow! Pakagaling naman ng ating mga bata ngayon. Okay, mga sandalis, wala ba tayo mga kaway dyan? Okay. Okay, kids, sit down na po tayo. Okay, ang activity natin ngayon is twisted balloon.